Welcome back, y'all. So today we're doing a sewing. So you can look on my past videos on how to do a braid pattern, but you wanted to make sure it's flat. You have a lot of braids. So what we're doing now is pressing out that leave out. Make sure that leave out is super straight to match the bundles. The key to a flawless install is making sure your leave out blends. So press that joint out real nice. Add the heat protectant as well as press it out. Now when it comes to curling, you want to spray a little holding spray on it, not too much. And you want to just wrap it around that barrel and like click and clack. Like click and clack as you go around. And you want to hold it for at least like 30 seconds to a minute so that the curl can become nice and warm. And then you pin it up as you go. Once you're done curling and everything, you take out the pins and you fluff it out with a comb, a wide tooth comb. As you can see, the curls looking nice and fluffy. You want to comb everything out after you're done, so it can be nice and flowy. Make sure to follow me at Rashawn Miracles 2 online. Shop Rashawn Hair, the best hair out. How he loves us.
Oh, how he loves us.
How he loves us.
Oh, how he loves us. Y'all see it.
But we just want to encourage y'all to, do what you gotta do. Goals.
I never said that.
New week, new goals. We just want to encourage y'all.
I never said that. He did. He wants to encourage you.
And don't let the devil get on your back. You get on his.
Carry you. He said, let him carry.
Hey yo, cut off.
I'm like, what is that? There was a whole pen in there. Sorry for the malfunctions, y'all. But y'all get the gist. Wait, why is it stuck?
Like, what's this?
gonna get
That's
natural
my
hair.
natural hair.
Natural hair.
And that's what we gonna
Fullness,
get.
curls.
Yeah, get into
Okay.
it. That's what we gonna get.
Ooh. All hers. But we gonna get dressed strong.
Mella's daughter.
Mella's daughter.
Mella's daughter.
Melly.
I wanna be Melly.
I wanna be Melly vibes.
I wanna be Melly.
I wanna be Melly.
Yeah.
Don't
Please
play
talk
with
to
her.
me nice or
Don't talk to her twice, cause it's all hers.
Period.
Oh, okay.
Period.
Yeah. Period. Oh, okay.
Period.
But we gonna get dressed strong.
We gonna get right.
Right back.
Period.